Hello and welcome to the second video on this video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your GUI, how to create a neat GUI, a neat GUI that only has the icons you use and the icons you don't use are hidden. I'm going to show you how to, for example, hide a complete group of icons or even rearrange them so that the frequent icons or the frequent buttons are in front of you. Okay, let's start. First, to hide a group of icon, for example, this group of icon, you think that you are not going to use it. So instead of leaving it in front of you, you can simply remove it. Just go next to it, right click and press tools. This one will unhide it, and if you press it again, it will be shown. Same, for example, for the bottom toolbar, if you go to next to the focus group or the focus group of icons, just right click and go to the first option. It will be the option of the group you are next to. This is a smart feature of ANSA. If you press focus, it will hide the focus group. If you press it again, it will be shown. Okay, this is necessary because using this feature, you can hide things you don't use or things you don't need to be in front of you. Okay, this is for showing or hiding groups in the toolbar. But what if I want to rearrange the icons in a certain group? For example, here I have four icons and I don't want them. I want another four from the hidden icons. For example, I need the isometric front, left, and bottom view to be shown instead of those one. To do so, simply go over any icon, press Control and the middle button, and this will open the buttons manager. And as the name indicates, buttons manager means to manage the buttons. Well, I would like to show or I would like to hide those four ones. I will just deactivate it. And by the way, I can group deselect using the right button as shown, and I can group select using the left mouse button as shown. And as you can see, those icons have been shown in front of you, and you can also rearrange them. So for example, I would like isometric to be in the right, so I can simply click and drag it to be the last one, as you can see. And I think this is very helpful because it saves a lot of time. And instead of going to the right to this arrow and searching for the thing you need, no, you can just put it in front of you so that, as you can see, you can manipulate or you can work so easily using them. This is applicable to the top toolbar and the bottom toolbar. Okay, let's move on to the right toolbar, or the right buttons of the decks. This is the Turbo deck, this is the classic mesh deck, and this is the OpenFOAM deck. If you would like, for example, to hide, to hide the certain group. For example, I would like to hide the cons group because I don't use it. So I can simply go over it, press Control and middle button. This will open the buttons manager as well. I can simply uncheck it to hide it and check again to show it, as you can see here. Okay. After finishing, press OK. But what if I would like to reorganize the icons or the buttons here inside a certain group? To do so, simply go next to it, press the right column, and you can drag or rearrange icons. If you would like, for example, to remove the info to be not shown here, simply right click on it, and it will be automatically moved to the hidden topo faces. And if you would like to remove, replace, modify, and so on. And what if I would like to replace two of those ones? For example, I would like to replace new by cut. To do so, simply click and drag using the middle mouse button and drag it to the new position. And as you can see, the two icons has been exchanged. Say you would like to replace Tobu by new because Tobu is used frequently, you can simply click and drag, click using the middle button of the mouse and drag. This will be, or the two buttons will be exchanged. So I think this is very helpful to you because you can create your own neat and customized GUI. Okay, this is for rearranging or customizing the UI. One last thing, if you close ANSA and reopen it, you will find yourself with the old version of the UI. So I need to save this new settings to be loaded when I open ANSA again. To do so, click Tools, Settings, and GUI Settings. This GUI setting saves the GUI settings to the current or to the XML file. If you press it, press OK and close ANSA and reopen it, it will open with the new loaded setting. This is all for this video. See you next video.